Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to write a winning Fiverr proposal. So these are the things you need to do to be able to write a winning Fiverr proposal. The first thing is to personalize it. Mention the buyer's name or the project details. The second thing is to show value fast. For example, what I mean is lead with your top benefit. For example, I will edit your YouTube video in 24 hours with engaging transitions. Thirdly, prove your expertise. Add a portfolio link up or past results. Example, edited 500 plus videos with 5-star reviews. Then, the fourth step is to keep it short. 3 to 5 clear sentences maximum. Busy buyers keep essays. Now here are mistakes to avoid. 1. Generic openings like dear sir or madam. No, use their name. Second, overpromising. I'm the best. Show proof instead. Do not say I'm the best. Thirdly, ignoring requirements. Answer their exact needs. And lastly, hard selling. Avoid pushy language like hire me now. Here's a pro tip. End with a call to action like let's discuss how I can help. Message me anytime. For example, hi Sarah, I specialize in fast high quality YouTube edits. See portfolio, add the link. I'll deliver your video in 24 hours with smooth transitions plus SFX. Let's chat. It is short, it is personalized, and that equals to higher conversions. Hope you found this video helpful.